Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I use turmeric alongside with all other natural remedy to get rid of my dark spots and also pimples. Okay, so if you do not want to experience pimples on your face, you have to stop some habits like taking too much of oil, like being under the sun for so long, and like applying all of those chemical creams on your skin and all of that. Okay, and you have to drink plenty of water, to flush out your body every day. Okay, so watch out for this natural homemade remedy that I'm going to be preparing to show you. It's going to be wonderful. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, thumbs up and share the video. Now let me take you into the video. Now, because sugar has a smaller granular particles, it will help so well in removing the dark spots, and it will also help to get rid of all of the blemishes on the skin, and it also helps to slow down pimples breakout. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're gonna be taking about 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Okay, then we're going to be making use of baking soda. Now baking soda is a great remedy that works in scrubbing out dark spots, scrubbing out pimples, and it also helps to scrub out fine lines and all of that. So it's going to help to maintain an even skin, and it's also a great remedy that rejuvenates the skin. Okay, for this we're going to be making use of about 2 tablespoons, and then we're going to make sure to mix this all up together. And dry mix it. And we're going to be making use of turmeric powder. Now turmeric powder is a great and wonderful remedy that contains a lightening property which helps to lighten up the skin. It also helps to remove all dark spots by scrubbing out dead skin cells and revealing a brighter and a more newer skin. Okay, so it helps to keep the skin smooth and polished. And I'm gonna be putting in half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Okay, this is actually going to even change the color of this ingredients. Now after mixing it all up this way, then we're gonna be putting in apple cider vinegar. Now apple cider vinegar is a great vinegar which actually helps to tone up the skin. It helps to get rid of dark spots. It can be taken orally and is great for the skin by removing wrinkles and as well as fine lines. So we're gonna be mixing this up, and then we're just gonna be putting in one teaspoon of that. And then we're going to be adding up honey. Honey is a great moisturizing remedy that helps to create a glow on the skin. It maintains the skin moisture, and it also allows product to get into the skin. Yeah, so I'm going to be putting in this honey, and then we would have to mix this all up. Alright, so after mixing this up this way, I would have to transfer it into a container where I would have to be using it for my dark spots. So I'm going to be using this for my dark spots, and then you're going to be using this every day for as long as you want till the dark spots fade off completely. Okay guys, so a very great way how I take care of my dark spots, and this is the ingredients. I'm going to have it stored, and then I would have to be using this. Yeah, so you have to prepare a little bit thick, and then you would use that, massage it onto your face just like this. Is thick enough, okay? And then I'll rub it firstly at the places in which I have the dark spots before I rub all over my face. Okay guys, so you have to make this treatment really solid, just like this, okay, so that even if you don't scrub, mainly applying it as actually like get rid of the dark spot. So I'm still going to be scrubbing. Okay, so I'm still going to scrub, and then remember to scrub this place because I usually experience white heads and black heads over there. Alright, so that's why I'm like, okay, you have to scrub. Yeah, so you give it a very mild scrub and you're good to go. So for this treatment, you can actually hold it on your face for like 3 to 5 minutes. Since there's baking soda, if you have a sensitive skin, you hold it for like 1 minute, okay, after you apply. And if you have a normal skin, you can hold it for 3 to 5 minutes. But if you have a very strong, thick skin that does not respond to anything, it will respond to this, but you have to hold it for another 10 minutes, okay? Don't hold it for too long, hold it for just 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes then you go wash it off, and your skin is going to be looking really soft and really supple. Okay, remember to scrub those parts in which you have the dark spot. Okay, all of this roughness is gonna be gone, and your skin is gonna be looking sumptuously beautiful again. So I'm actually going to go wash mine, but for this I'm going to keep it for another use. So for this particular ingredient, you can store it. You can store it in the refrigerator, or you can just keep it there. Okay, it's not going to go bad because honey is actually what is keeping it from going bad. Okay, so that's why you can store it even without a fridge for like 2 weeks or more. It will still be perfect and stays good. All right, as often as possible you can apply it, but if you want it to work really fine, apply it every day and then wash it off just like I instructed earlier. It's actually very effective, and it's been helping me. I have it there in my wardrobe, in my space where I'm actually going to be using it on my face every day. So you can use this every day and it's going to be wonderful. It's going to whoop out all of those stuff and leave your skin really glowing. Yeah, So if you do enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful and bye guys.